Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called the Traffic and Social Media Academy, and it's a PLR Firesale fresh out today this morning. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning in Vancouver. And I like to start with the finish, $7.86 as we speak right now, and 40 PLR shorts. There's 40 in the front offer. There's 60 in the back end offer. You can get 100 of these short videos that are training, evergreen training about website traffic. Everybody wants to know about how to get more traffic. This is all that, training about traffic. Let's go inside and I'll give you a quick look inside at what you're actually getting involved in. So these are shorts, YouTube shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, that kind of thing. And you're going to fund your total private label rights to rebrand and use everything, $7.86, like I said. Let's go down. You can see here, so website traffic secrets, Pinterest traffic secrets, Facebook traffic secrets. That's the whole kind of thing that they're LinkedIn traffic secrets. So they've got the pre-sale pages, they've got the lead capture that you sign up for the traffic secrets kind of course. You get a different video every day. They're getting 25% open rates for their emails. So they're getting tons of opens on this. By creating training in video course, you're going to have the same training for $8, $7.86. You're going to be able to send this to your new list interested in website traffic. Obviously, every time they open one of these emails from you and watch the video, you have the opportunity to show them a link for whatever it is you want to sell. Go to this to get this training. Go to this to get more information. Find out more about Pinterest or LinkedIn or whatever profits. You can see how that goes once you've got them in each one of these. They're making sales from it because they've got their eyeballs. They're in there watching it. Things all put together. I just want to go down to, here we go. So this will give you an idea. There's a whole bunch of different ones here. That just shows you those same sort of ones. So it's all put together. This will give you a good look at what they are. They're vertical training videos, pretty straightforward. And let's go to where the actual modules are. So here we go. Here's what's included. Bam. So 10 in the first module, 10 different research done for you short videos with private label rights. It's just all put together. There's the video titles. You can scroll down and get to there. Editable presentation slides for this. There are the voiceovers for each of these. The whole thing's put together in a pre-sale page. So you can get people to click here to sign up and buy it. You can get people to link in. There's the portal is here. We're going to give you all this and capture and delivery. So sign up here to get the daily website traffic secrets videos. They know videos are coming. They know they're about traffic. Different video coming every day. And like I say, you can monetize this very easily. And really, the smart thing to do is when it's Pinterest traffic, get a Pinterest profits product. When it's LinkedIn traffic, get a LinkedIn profits. You see what I mean? Simple as that to tie in the thing. You could also go a different way to use traffic things, say from ClickBank, traffic things every time, different traffic products and traffic software and things like that. So different ways you can do it. But you can see there's a whole pretty professional looking setup there. This is the additional, it's this one here. Let's go back to that quickly. So this is going inside each one. So you can see done for you short videos as part of the Pinterest one. I'm gonna cut this short and just tell you that when you go to my site at marketingsharks.com, all 100 videos are listed there. So the 40 on the front and the 60 on the back end, $7.86. That's a pretty boring spot to stop at. So let's go down on the bottom here and go, yes, absolutely right. That's a good spot to stop at. Let's cut it short. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click the product box and be on this page and watch, take a closer look at all the parts. But you get the idea. You're going to have a mailing list that you're going to be able to sign up and say, we're going to give you lots of training, video training on traffic. There's pretty much nobody out there who doesn't want to learn more about traffic. So evergreen, universal topic for $8. And away you go. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.